Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Nick and I'm in the kitchen cooking. I'm doing something fun today. I'm actually baking some cookies and I added a cookie to my arsenal. So most of you guys, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I only make two kinds of cookies, sugar cookies and oatmeal cookies. And I just make variations on those two types of cookies. I added peanut butter cookie to the mix because it's my husband's favorite. And this recipe is super duper easy. So I made it a couple of weeks ago in my stories. And since then, Avery was even like, you gotta make these cookies more often. Like, these are delicious. And then I learned that some of my friends, peanut butter cookies are their favorite as well. So I don't eat cookies. So it's not about what I like. I don't like peanut butter cookies though. But anyway, I just decided I'm gonna start making these more often because, like I said, they're very, very easy. The recipe for these is already up on my blog. And you guys, this recipe is adapted from this cookbook, Betty Crocker's Picture Cookbook. This cookbook is 70 years old. I kid you not. Look. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know. Let's see. It says the copyright 1950 on there. Like, I kid you not. That's how old this is. I love this cookbook. Anyway, like I said, the original recipe is from that cookbook, but I have adapted it because who buys shortening? I don't buy shortening. I don't use shortening. I'm using butter and coconut oil because I'm making a double batch today. And I don't like creamy peanut butter. So I'm using crunchy peanut butter. Those are the two biggest changes from the original recipe. But the flavor is just absolutely amazing. It takes no time to come together. The only thing that does take a while is it tells you to chill the dough, which one time I made them and I chilled the dough, and another time I didn't really chill the dough. I don't think it makes a big difference, and clearly the guys could care less because they just ate them up. So anyway, gonna make these cookies and gonna show you in real time me making, well, not in real time, I'm gonna do hyperlapse and show you how quickly they come together. And hopefully you try them, and hopefully you like them, and hopefully you tell me that you tried them and you like them. So anyway, let's get into it, y'all. So look at that, 10 seconds and done. Technically, it was more like 4.5 minutes, 5 minutes tops. All I gotta do now is scrape my bowl down, stick it in the fridge for about an hour or two, and then bake them up on 375 degrees for 10 minutes. And we will have delicious peanut butter cookies. I don't know if they're delicious or not because I don't eat them, but the guys say they're delicious. Okay, I decided to go ahead and just do a comparison for you guys. I'm gonna bake a batch of the cookies without chilling them and bake a batch with chilling them. So got my handy dandy little mini ice cream scoop, not a unitasker in the kitchen. I use this thing for everything from making meatballs to baking cookies to melon balling to just all kinds of stuff to actual ice cream. Anyway, like I said, my guys don't taste the difference. I think the whole point of chilling it is just so that you can easily roll it into balls that you can then press down with the sugar dipped in, with the fork dipped in sugar to flatten them and make that little crosshatch thing going on. But so anyway, I'm gonna do these and then I'm gonna show you the difference and you tell me if you see a difference. I can't tell you if you'll taste a difference, but my guys definitely say that they taste the same. We'll see. Also, that whole crosshatch thing is totally optional. Avery is now my cookie helper. Like, he puts the dough on the pan and, you know, puts it in the oven and watches it, puts the timer on, all that good stuff. And when he does it, he doesn't do the crosshatch. Obviously, he's not going to do that much work. But anyway, and again, they go just as fast, not really a big deal, but they're pretty with the crosshatch. And if you're trying to be extra fancy, then do it. If not, you know, and you don't feel like doing it, don't do it. I'm not going to do it on these. I might do it on the second batch. We shall see. You guys, if you bake or even if you make sheet pan meals, anything like that, and you don't have one of these big sheet pans. This is a half sheet pan. You got to get one. This has changed my cooking life. I can put all the things on this one pan. Normally when I make these cookies here, it takes me 3-4 times, or any of my cookies, I have to put 2 cookie sheets in 3 or 4 times to cook all the cookies. This one, I put it in twice and I'm done. It takes up the entire width of my, you see, it's almost like twice 2 of me, but the entire width of my oven, and I love it. Get yourself a half sheet pan, and you'll feel like, kind of like, it makes me feel like restaurant, it makes me feel official, kind of like my chef's coat the other day. Yeah, it feels official. Anyway, get going on these cookies. All right, y'all, so it's the moment of truth. Like I said, peanut butter cookies are hubby's favorite. So he's trying first that one. This one is made with the dough that was at room temperature. Okay. And then these were made with the chilled dough. And I just want to see if he tastes a difference between the two. You need a palate cleanser, baby? All right. What you think?
These are better.
They taste better chilled. What's the difference?
Tastes more like peanut butter.
Oh, you taste more of the peanut butter flavor in chilled ones than in the others, the non-chilled.
Right.
All right, well, there you have it. Hubby says chill your peanut butter cookie dough. Tastes better, tastes more like peanut butter. All right, until next time, guys. Bye.